Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at the Zangi app and ask, is it safe or not? In order to do so, here we are at Zangi.com, and if you're interested in Zangi, you can download from the App Store and Google Play. I can confirm that I have used Zangi myself, and it does work as intended. But as far as its safety goes, I will tell you that almost immediately I did start to receive some strange messages from random people. So according to Cider AI, Zangi's safety is a mixed bag. While it's designed on a decentralized model which can enhance security, some reports suggest it's associated with scammers and hackers. Therefore, it's important to exercise caution and verify information independently. So that is what I would suggest is just be aware when it comes to Zangi. It does work as intended, but also you would expect with perhaps some of the military grade encryption and the privacy, et cetera, that maybe you would be safe from random messages, but I can confirm that that's not the case. If you're interested in using Cider AI, Cider is a extension that integrates into Chrome, and it allows you to have access to an AI chatbot at all times. All you have to do is click on this little icon at the bottom right hand corner after you have that added to your browser, and at any time you can ask Cider a question. You can also gain access to all of the main chatbots that you may want: Cider, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. It's a great way of being able to get a response to a question and be able to compare it with the other chatbots to make sure that you're getting a good answer and you're getting all the information. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, click on the description and you will find a link to Cider. If you click on that, you'll be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.